Well, welcome back, everybody. This is Friday the 14th of November, and we were taking the video of putting the rear glass in this 300 SD yesterday. It got too lengthy, and then the battery went south. That's was over about actually 6 hours getting this one in. Had a little problem with the pinch wells, and down to where we showed you in the video prepping everything, it kept cutting the cord that was roping the rubber seal in with, especially over here on this right driver's side. But I'm going to turn the camera around. We'll show you the finished installation, and it will also include a link down below in the comments for you, anybody that would like to see thorough good video. I'm going to send you over to Ken Blake. I'll put a link on his site. He does the front. Rear is kind of typical, except the way the garnish trim goes into the rubber. But let's turn it around and show you the finished product. Here, hopefully you can see where this little blister is right here. That's where we had primed and painted, and part of that pinch well was gone and caused a sharp burr. And this car had been clear coated before and painted. If you lift that rubber up, we'll come around here and see if we can, here's the body line right here. I left this in so you can see this rubber is fitting exactly. If we lift this up, you can see, well, my finger's in the way, but we're right back in dead center where this window was to be secured in. He'll have to get something here and adjust and fix this aerial CB antenna. Let's go around real quick to the inside. All in all, this was normally would have been about a 2-hour installation. It ended up being about 6. Here, if I can get a good photo glimpse in here, the old headliner, and we showed how we heated the like a cocoon, put a blanket over the car, put a heater in here, and she stretched back to right to the glue joint. So you guys that need some help with these older Mercedes, there's plenty of good trimmers out there. We're not the best, so we don't turn them down, but when you get a little bit older, it takes longer to do them, of course. And if you like what we've shown on our little short videos of this, do check out the link that Ken Blake has on the front windshield. Let's go around here real quick to the front and show you a little glimpse of the front. You can see here, this rubber locks down onto the body, and also the top piece of the trim comes over onto the garnish mold. That's very critical, and these are a booger. I'm not gonna tell you they're easy, but you can see also here where this has been painted right up to the rubber. This is an old existing front windshield rubber. And if you like what we have, please share, please comment, and please subscribe. Come back and visit Bear's Rod Shop. Love to have you.